Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create a smooth speed ramp on your video and then adding it to make your video be more cinematic. And the way to do that, first you need to open your Capcut and then insert a video that you want to add this kind of effect onto it. So today's I already prepared these 3 video of a car, and as you can see at first this video it's have a kinda not matching transition from each clip to other clip like this, as you can see. And now how do we to edit to make it be more match transition? It's just by adding this kinda speed ramp style onto it. So first click the first clip of your video and then just straightforward go to the speed button and then use this curve speed, and now go to this custom curve speed and then click one more time to edit it. And you can follow the pattern from this tutorial to recreate it on your video. You can just follow my pattern. This one I'm going to put it the bit on top of that, and this one in the side, and now the middle bit I'm going to put it on this side and like this. Then don't forget to click this onto the better quality like this and then check it and wait for a moment. Then go to the second page, and as same as the first clip, you just need to do the same, add a same speed ramp effect onto it. Okay, like this. Then change it onto the better quality, this, and then go to the last clip, go to edit. The point is you need to add this pattern of a speed ramp onto each clip. You need to edit, and then don't forget to change it onto better quality. And now it's done. Wait for a moment until it's finished applying the filter for the third video. Okay, kinda like this. And now as you can see, it's already have this kinda smooth motion onto each clip. And the way to make it be more matching, you just need to insert a transition onto it, and the transition that I'm going to use was this pull out transition, this one. Then let the duration or the timing for the transition on this 0.9 second. Then click the check button and go to the next layer of a transition and add this pull in transition, this one. And like before, let the speed or the duration from the transition is onto this position. You don't have to change the direction from it by swiping the white spot to the left or to the right. You just use the suggestion from this transition windows. Then check it, and your final result will be look like this. And that's the way how to add this cinematic smooth speed ramp on CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.